Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a while. So I finally got the clutch. I decided to go to the 725 Clutch Masters twin disc. Man, it's been like 3 weeks, almost a month before I get this clutch for the delay because everything's going on in the world, with the pandemic. I ordered a twin disc clutch from this company named Vivid Racing, which I won't recommend for you to get it from them because, man, these people, they don't know what they're doing. They got on their website that they selling the twin disc, this one, for a good price. So I went, I called in. It wasn't like I make a mistake online. I called in to make sure because the price was like $300 difference. And I called, is it twin disc? They say yes. So eventually a friend told me, it was like, yo, look at the numbers. I think they're gonna send you the single disc. I'm like, nah, I don't need a single disc. So I call them and they say, no, you're gonna get a twin disc, you're gonna get a twin disc. Well, after 2 weeks waiting, guess what? They sent me the freaking only single disc one. It has, the clutch that they sent me has only one of this, one this and one of this, one and one. So they messed up and they took forever to send me a return label, like another 2 weeks. But I saved time and I went direct and I ordered from Clutch Master. Let me see, I show you. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna show you what was the mistake. So here, this is the number, the code for the twin disc. Then they got, the one they have on their website, Vivid Racing, right, is the same number, 08037 TD7RS. This is the twin disc. So that's the difference right here. TD, that means twin disc. That means twin disc. The one they sent me, Vivid Racing, same number, but instead here said SD, which means single disc. So that was the big mistake. But now I got it. I don't care. We are about to start this clutch. See how it goes. So, since when you're gonna change the clutch, you have to release the oil from the transmission. The oil was really dark. I'm talking about like petroleum dark. So, always use the original transmission fluid for your Honda, of any vehicle you have. This is better. So, I need only 2 quarts, but I bought 3 just in case. All right, just a tip there. Here is old clutch, state 3, action clutch. Look at this. This clutch was done. It was like welded to the transmission. Like it melts. Couldn't hold the power. Like totally. Look at this. Melt. Nothing. There's no material there. Look at the difference in the new one. Look how much. See right there how much meat this one has, and double. Like, yeah, like I said, this clutch, it was good for our motor if you're running under 300 horsepower. More than that, you're gonna need something better, but it holds well while it lasts. All right, we're working. Alright guys, Clutch Master twin disc 725 is on and is ready. Start the car up. There it is. I don't hear any sound, like grinding sound. Like,
Trago de vino.
I watch some videos. This actually is like a normal clutch. And I talk about sound wise, right? So clutching now, still no sound. Like I thought it was like gonna be louder or something, but my friend told me probably because the clutch is brand new. After I wear out a little bit, probably gonna get some noise, but so far so good. I love this clutch. I'm gonna tell you something. From the state 3 to this, it's like when you have a stock clutch and go to a state 5. Like that pedal will bounce back. Like you have to shift like really fast, right? But I'm gonna drive it a little bit. They told me I don't need to do the brake-in because this is a twin disc. But they say if anything, just do 50 miles, 100 miles on it, and then from there you can just go all out. All right. Okay, been driving it for a few miles now. This clutch feels pretty good. I mean, you're gonna take your time to get used to. I mean, from state 3 to twin disc, it's a big difference. But I see how people say that you can daily drive. As you can see, it's been a little bit there. Still getting used to, but the clutch response, like the throttle response, everything just quicker. Drive smoothly if you want. I mean, I totally recommend this clutch, like 100%. It's worth the money, definitely. Let's do a few pulls, see how it feels. On the highway now, just driving normal. I think if I would have this clutch in the car when it was in the dyno, I think the car would have made more power with the same amount of boost. So it's spinning, I guess. It was raining a little bit, so